Moms, I want you to know that I feel your dinner time pain. I've got two picky little eaters at home and even sometimes a picky grown man husband. So we have a casserole in store for you that's going to solve all your dinner time problems. It's Cowboy Casserole, and this is 100% a full family dinner time win. You've got a hearty layer of ground beef chili on the bottom and a topping of cheesy tater tots. Now tell me, who could complain about that? Place a large pan over medium-high heat and add your ground beef. Then you're gonna sprinkle over your seasoning and stir that around until the ground beef is browned and all the way cooked through. Use the slotted spoon to remove the ground beef from the pan, and then if there's a lot of extra grease left behind, you're gonna wanna spoon that out, leaving behind just a thin enough layer to saute an onion. Add the onion and cook it until it's translucent, just about 3 to 4 minutes. Then you're gonna add the beef back into the pan along with some crushed tomatoes, beef broth, and corn. Bring the mixture to a simmer, and then once you've got it bubbling, you're gonna mix up your cornstarch with a little bit of water and add that right into the pan. Stir and let that simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes to thicken up. After your chili's thickened up, you'll stir in a little bit of sour cream and some cheddar cheese. Now it's time to assemble the casserole. Bring on the tater tots. You'll add just under half your tater tots to the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. Then that chili goes right on top, and you'll finish it off with another layer of tater tots. Transfer it to the oven and bake it for 25 minutes at 375. Once it's nice and bubbly and those tater tots are good and crispy on top, you're gonna pull it out and sprinkle over a layer of cheddar cheese and then pop it back into the oven for 10 more minutes. Moms, not only are you gonna love this casserole because it's a complaint-free dinner, but you're also going to adore the fact that it's seriously easy to make.